Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, oh my goodness, it has been a hot minute since I've sat down in front of this camera, namely because the past month has been absolutely crazy with major life-changing events, the first of which being I got engaged, and then following that, my fiance accepted a job in South Dakota. So we just moved from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I literally am like looking outside of my window right now, like seeing pine trees and mountains. Like guys, our house is literally tucked into the most peaceful spot ever. I love it. But unfortunately, I am no longer styling for Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix allows all the stylists to work remotely, but they want you in designated hubs in certain cities across the United States, and Dakota Territory is not anywhere near one of those hubs. Now, although I'm not styling for the company, I'm still receiving Stitch Fixes. This is literally the first box in 4.5 years that I have not styled myself. So I'm now rolling like you guys. I left my stylist a note. I told her what I wanted. I have not peeked to see what's in here, so I am dying to tear into this. But here's the thing I wanted to talk to you about as well. Now that I'm no longer with the company, obviously, like I'm not under the same constraints that I was before as a stylist. So what I'm thinking is, for subsequent videos, why don't we end each one with like a little informal Q&A session? Like, are there questions you guys have about being a stylist? Maybe, I don't know, how to get a better fix? Like whatever questions you guys have, leave them down in the comments below. And in subsequent videos, I'll just end each one by answering, I don't know, maybe like 2 to 4 questions, and we'll just go from there. All right, so blah, 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 let's get down to business, because I literally, this came yesterday and I could barely sleep last night. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, okay. Okay, this is gonna be very interesting. So we are going to tear into this sucker, and I'm actually going to go through, steam everything, and then we will try them on together. Oh my gosh, you guys, my stylist Mary did an amazing job. Seriously, I am like a nightmare to style. I knew that going into it. In fact, I think I told her, probably gonna give you a migraine. She did fantastic. Mary, this literally, I wanna buy every single one of these pieces, and a lot of these surprised me. Like some of these I never would have picked out for myself. Yay, that's what I'm excited about. So to give you guys like a little bit of backstory, I told Mary that I was looking for mainly like pastel tones, soft shades, pretty floral, like very feminine. And also I'm very much into fibers, especially in the summertime. Like I want tencel, cotton, modal, like no heavy polyesters, nothing like that. And Mary, I think, did an amazing job. So starting off with this gorgeous blouse from Daniel Rainn. Now I love Daniel Rainn. Most of the time, whatever Daniel Rainn is putting out, I'm falling in love with. This top is no exception. Love the color story, that light blue, the pinks, the whites. So fresh looking for the summertime. Loving this with a pair of white pants. And of course, as is typical with Daniel Rainn, all about those feminine soft details. Like love this Flutter sleeve, so pretty. The slight ruffling on the collar that extends to the V-neck, and also the pleating down the center. This is so beautiful. I love, love, love this top. Okay, so this next one, I was actually really excited to try it on because I had seen this floating around in our inventory before and I totally avoided it, mainly because of the price point and also because it is a Dolman. And it is this beautiful soft knit short sleeve top. Now again, Dolmans and I, we usually don't get along. In fact, I tend to avoid them like a plague, but I love the color. And this, like, I remember this being categorized in our inventory as having a super soft hand feel, and it absolutely does. Oh my gosh, you guys, this just feels amazing. Totally in love with the color. And surprisingly enough, like the Dolman factor isn't bothering me that much. I think because it is short sleeved. It just kind of has like a really nice laid back, kicky kind of vibe. Loving it with these shorts, which are also from Stitch Fix. I just think together it makes for such a darling outfit. And of course, nothing crazy going on in the back, just simple, beautiful. Now this is a rayon poly blend with just a touch of spandex. And again, rayon and polyester when it's done right is beautiful. I mean, look at how fluid this is. It's just super drapey. It is gorgeous and it feels like like a warm, like soft, puffy cloud that you're just wearing. Oh my gosh, love it. Okay, so there are two pieces that came in this box that when I pulled them out, I was like, wah, wah, no way. And surprisingly, both of them I ended up really liking. The first was this Pointelle cardigan. Now, typically what turns me off is the hood. I hate hoods on cardigan. It's just my thing. And I also hate the tassel ties. Looking beyond those for a minute, I surprisingly just love this way more than I thought I would. Like, this is such a great lightweight summer layer, especially where I am. I'm literally living in the mountains. And so like we can go from 90 degrees to 60 like that. And I love the idea of wearing a cardi like this, especially over like a lightweight top, pair of shorts. Just super, super sweet and breezy for summertime. This is 100% acrylic, but it feels super soft. We talked before about acrylic coming a long way, and this is no exception. I really, really like this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this next thing, oh sweet Jesus Lord. Okay, so let's talk about the pros. This pair of chinos from Joules. Love, love, love the color. This is a beautiful blend of modal and tencel. Beautifully done. It feels amazing, those fibers. Loving the color. Like, I'm just all about those soft feminine shades for the summertime. And I think these are darling with the little cuff at the legs. You can, you know, obviously show off your favorite pair of shoes. My issue was these were a little tight. Like, that's why I wasn't doing the turnaround, because I was like, oh hell no, this is not happening. Also because I don't have the proper undergarments on, and my boyfriend or my fiance is working the night shift and he's sleeping right now. So I'm not like gonna bust into our bedroom to get the proper garments, but you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, these are my normal size 4 and they are way, 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 way too tight. In fact, I think I'm gonna see if I can exchange these, honestly, probably for an 8. I think the 6 would be too short or too small as well. I don't think I ate that much on my road trip out here. I think these run small. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Okay, and lastly, I said there were 2 items in this box that when I initially pulled them out, I was like, oh, no, 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 no. The first was the Pointelle cardigan. The second was this maxi dress, and surprisingly I put this on and I was like, oh, okay, I'm liking you. Super flattering on, and honestly, like, initially I thought that the pattern's just way too busy for my taste, and I think that just nowadays I'm gravitating towards way more solids or just less busy prints than this, but I could totally appreciate this. I actually love the fact that she sent this to me, because again, it's totally unlike anything I would have picked out for myself. Honestly, as a stylist, I never even would have given this a second glance. It was fun to try on. Once I had it on, I thought, okay, like, I really don't mind the color story or the pattern, like, it's kind of fun. I just think that where my mind is now, I probably wouldn't wear it that much. But again, just like really interesting to try on. Love the silhouette. In fact, the bodice, I was like, oh, hello, it looks like I grew a little bit there. Very flattering. Love the neckline too. So definitely this type of silhouette in the future, I'd totally be open to trying more of. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my first unboxing as a former Stitch Fix stylist. And again, I'm so impressed with what Mary picked out for me. Oh my gosh, I'm not kidding you. I'm impossible to shop for. I literally thought I was gonna open this box and just be like, meh, meh, pass. To be honest with you, like, the more I'm like looking at everything, like kind of bonding with it, I'm almost tempted to keep everything. Ugh, but I feel like I should try to control myself. I don't know. I need to think about it. Guys, definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know those questions you have about Stitch Fix. I mean, we're gonna keep it respectful. I still love this company. I don't wanna do anything that would like cross any boundaries, but I think we have some room to just have fun and like talk about the process as a stylist, talk about maybe some tips and tricks I can share with you guys if you're getting frustrated with not receiving the type of fixes that you want to. In any event, whatever those questions are, leave them down below. We'll just go through them over the next couple weeks. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.